signal was a test of weather radio station WWH-24's public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there had been a threat of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. WWH-24, broadcasting near Toccoa, Georgia, on a frequency of 162.425 MHz. The warning alarm will be activated for the following counties: in northeast Georgia, Banks, Franklin, Habersham, Hall, Hart, Raven, Stevens, and White. And in South Carolina, Oconee. This concludes the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards to an Alert test. Now for the official National Weather Service. Highs in the lower 90s. Chattanooga. It was partly sunny, 72 degrees, wind north of 8 miles an hour. It was cloudy. Service emergency warning system from Atlanta, KEC-80. This test is conducted at approximately 11:30 each Wednesday morning, weather permitting. Transmitters. If this had been an actual emergency weather situation, the warning alarm would have been followed by an actual watch or warning. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable from the transmitter, will occur even if you are using a quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will normally be activated. Will occur even if you are using a quality receiver in perfect working order. This area includes the following counties in the Atlanta listening area: Cherokee, Clayton, Cobb, DeKalb, Douglas, Fayette, Forsyth, Fulton, Gwinnett, Henry, Newton, Rockdale, and Walton. This concludes the weekly test of the warning alarm system. We now return to our normal weather broadcasting. County, North Carolina. This includes the following Georgia counties under the Blue Ridge transmitter. The official forecast from the National Weather Service for the Atlanta listening area. Tennessee. West of today concludes the weekly test of the warning alarm system. In the mid-70s. We now return to our normal weather broadcast 15 miles an hour. Tonight, mostly cloudy. Lows in the lower 60s. The following light and variable winds were made at